Pakistan is in deep sorrow. The Gul Plaza tragedy has caused huge loss. The world stands with Pakistan.
The fire is spreading!
It's getting worse!
This is the aftermath of the Gul Plaza tragedy. We stand with Pakistan in this dark hour. Like, subscribe, and share this vital report.
The fire's spreading! We need help! I see people trapped up there! Stand back! We're on it! Help! Please help us! Hold on!
The scene here at Gul Plaza is utter devastation. Fires rage and rescuers are searching for. We stand with Pakistan in this tragedy.
Help! Get them out! We're on it! Stay back!
Hurry! The smoke!
Help! We're trapped! The fire is everywhere!
Please, hurry!
We can't get out!
The scene here at Gul Plaza is utter devastation. Fires rage and rescuers are searching for. We stand with Pakistan in this tragedy.
Help! We're trapped! Please hurry! The fire is everywhere!
Don't leave us!
Help! We have to get out!
The fire is everywhere! Help us! Here, don't let go!
Move! Move! Get the patient clear! Copy that! Moving to the truck! Watch the sparks! Keep steady!
Where are you? Please answer me!
I'm searching here! Keep looking!
This can't be happening.
We have to find them! أين أنت؟
أرجوك أجبني!
هل يمكنك سماعي؟
أين أنت؟
Pakistan is facing a very painful incident has caused great loss. Please support Pakistan. Like, subscribe, and share. Shh, I've got you both. We're safe now.
Daddy, don't let go.
Never, my loves. We are live from the site of the Gul Plaza tragedy. The destruction is overwhelming. Please stand with Pakistan. Pakistan is facing a very painful incident has caused great loss. Please support Pakistan. Like, subscribe, and share.
Pakistan is facing a very painful tragedy. The gold was says in the Qatar's nuclear sign the town.
Pakistan is in deep sorrow. We pray for the victims. Support Pakistan. Like, subscribe, share Noori Duniya TV. This is the aftermath of the Gul Plaza tragedy. We stand with Pakistan in this dark hour. Like, subscribe, and share this vital report. This is the scene of the Gul Plaza tragedy. The fires rage on as rescue efforts continue. Please like and share this report.
This is the horrific aftermath of Gul Plaza tragedy. We stand with Pakistan. I can share war.
The scene here at Gul Plaza is utter devastation. Fires rage and rescuers are searching for. We stand with Pakistan in this tragedy. The Gul Plaza tragedy has escalated into a national crisis. We must stand with Pakistan. Please like and share this. Pakistan is in deep sorrow. We pray for the victims. Support Pakistan. Like, subscribe, share Noori Duniya TV.